processing of wooden doors, new technologies lead to innovation and automation, with clear advantages for both carpentry shops and industrial plants. This is the path taken by Futura for the TEKNO X2 CNC milling machine. From the very first design, everything has been developed internally, with details making the difference. Processing on both sides of the door, using both standard hinges and the Anuba system, takes place in a single setup, managed directly by numerical control. Because the best solutions put problems at the center. And they solve them by combining technical strength with the value of experience. Configuration is immediate, featuring preset macros. The machine can be installed as a standalone work cell or integrated as an inline machine. Positioning is fully automatic, precise to the millimeter in both width and thickness. In this way, once the cycle is started, a complete production process is executed in less than 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the type of hardware. The operator manages the entire cycle from the numerical control in total safety, recalling already available processes or previously saved ones, and creating a job list if necessary. The machine proceeds to load the door to be processed, automatically positioning itself based on the dimensions entered in the program. Then, the processes set on both sides of the wooden door begin, all performed within the same cycle. Boring for keyhole and handle slots, and milling for the lock and hinge housing. Up to the unloading of the processed door via the roller conveyor, available as an optional extra, and the restart of a new cycle. Thus achieving 2 goals, working better and in less time. The machine is also capable of handling doors equipped with the Anuba system. The working unit, with automatic positioning, is equipped with an electro spindle for drilling operations and a screwdriver motor for inserting single Anuba hinges. The machine can also operate on wooden frames, thanks to a dedicated kit. The vertical clamps of the frame kit lock and straighten the workpieces before the numerical control manages the entire production cycle. The TEKNO X2 is a project realized entirely by Futura, in synergy with the parent company Metalstar 2000, from sheet metal cutting to the finished machine. A machine designed to last, because responsibility for one's work has been a fundamental part of the company's history since 1980. With rigorous testing before leaving the factory and 24/7 assistance from true experts, also through remote support. To reach any part of the world in a truly effective way. Thus, not just woodworking machines, but solutions at an exceptional price.